As I sit by my window, I look out into the downpour, see the effects of the weather. Tiny puddles forming on bin lids, leaky guttering soaking into walls, birds sheltering on ledges, cats curled up under cars, puddles rising over the pavement, drivers torn, drive through the puddles or not, pedestrians dash to evade being drenched, umbrellas opening like flowers in bloom, sad faces on the umbrella list being soaked. There are always people that love to dance in the rain, little ones jumping into puddles, faces full of joy and happiness. But we all have that knowledge that it won't rain forever.